What is up, guys? Today we will be looking at how to read the unit circle in an easy way as requested by someone I know. First things first, you need to know the four angles of 0 degrees, which is at 0 pi or 2 pi, 90 degrees, which is at pi over 2, 180 degrees, which is at 1 pi, and 270 degrees, which is at 3 pi over 2. The points for these go at 1, 0 at 0 degrees, 0, 1 at 90 degrees, negative 1, 0 at 180 degrees, and 0, negative 1 at 270 degrees. After remembering that, to get to the other angles in the unit circle, you need to look at which line the angle is closest to and use that to determine the radians. For example, if you're looking at an angle of 150 degrees, you know that it must be 5 pi over 6. This is because being closest to the horizontal line means that the radians are over 6. And you know the 5 because it is right before 6, just as the angle 150 is right before 180 on the unit circle. For anything closest to the vertical line, aka 90 degrees and 270 degrees, the radians will be over 3 and go pi thirds, 2 pi thirds, 4 pi thirds, and then 5 pi thirds. To make this easier to remember, it counts to 6, but both 3 pi over thirds, 3 pi thirds and 6 pi thirds equal pi and 2 pi respectively, so I didn't include them. Finally, anything in the exact middle of the two lines is over 4. These ones are all odd, counting up to 7. Now for the last part of the unit circle, which are the points, a similar rule is to be followed. But first, it must be noted that the only difference between each point is what is negative. If you can view the 4 lines as quadrants in a graph, seeing what is negative becomes much easier, as shown here. Now back to the points. For every radian with a denominator of 6, the point is the square root of 3, 1/2. This means that the points closest to the horizontal line are the square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. For the radians with a denominator of 3, the point is 1/2, square root of 3 over 2. As you can see, the only difference is that the x and y are swapped, excluding the negative sign if it is there. Another way to remember this is that whichever line the point is closest to is the square root of 3 over 2. Finally, for the radians with a denominator of 4, the point is square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. With that, the whole unit circle is complete. I know even with these tricks it is still very hard to remember, but I hope this makes remembering easier.